Journey to the End of the Earth by Tishani Doshi. The author, after 100 years of traveling by car, aeroplane, and ship, arrived at the coldest continent of the world, that is Antarctica. She felt immense wonder looking at Antarctica's white landscape for the first time. She also marveled that India and Antarctica were part of the same landmass once. 650 million years ago, Earth had one giant supercontinent, and that was Gondwana. Gondwana was home to a variety of flora and fauna, and climate was also much warmer at that time. But after 500 million years, Gondwana separated into several countries. Antarctica is one of the few places which remains closest to the geological composition of Gondwana. So, to visit Antarctica is to see that history also understands the future of the earth. The author used to Indian summer feels disoriented by Antarctica's frigid and desolate climate. It also makes her think about the position of humans in the largest context of Earth's geological history. Though humans have been around for just 12,000 years, they have taken over Earth's resources and irretrievably changed Earth's natural balance also. Climate change is a result of this takeover. To understand various climate changes that happen around the world, one can study half million year old carbon records trapped in Antarctica's ice. The author then talks about students on ICE program started by Geoff Green. Geoff Green had become tired of carrying celebrities and rich voyagers. So he founded the program to create a generation of future policymakers by showing them the South Pole. The author believes that this program has been successful because it was impossible not to be affected by the South Pole. It is at Antarctica that you can see that how little thing changes can have big repercussions. Here she gives the example of tiny phytoplankton which nourish the southern sea's entire food chain. The author experienced something similar when her ship was stuck between ice. The captain of the ship made them gear up and experience a walk on the ice. While on ice, the author saw the layer of ice giving way to water. There were seals bathing themselves under the sun. At that time, the author realized that everything connected together. Now, the author muses on the beauty of balance that underlies this life of planet Earth. She wonders that what would happen to the Earth if Antarctica became a warmer place, if humans would become extinct like dinosaurs. However, spending 2 weeks with idealistic teenagers, the author feels optimistic about the future.